1. Choose the correct sentence. A. Neither of the boys are ready. B. Neither of the boys is ready. C. Neither of the boys were ready. Two. Which word is the antonym of lucid? A. Clear. B. Vague. C. Bright. Three. Identify the noun clause. A. I wonder what he wants. B. I want to go home. C. The man is honest. Four. What is the correct passive form of she is writing a letter? A. A letter is being written by her. B. A letter is written by her. C. A letter has been written by her. Five. Choose a sentence with correct preposition usage. A. He insisted for going. B. He insisted on going. C. He insisted to going. Six. What part of speech is the word fast and he runs fast? A. Verb. B. Adverb. C. Adjective. Seven. Which sentence is in the subjunctive mood? A. If I were you, I would apologize. B. I was you yesterday. C. If I was you, I would go. Eight. Choose a sentence with correct usage of who or whom. A. Whom is going to the store? B. Who is going to the store? C. Whom did it? Nine. What is the gerund in the sentence? Swimming is good exercise. A. Swimming. B. Good. C. Exercise. Ten. Which phrase is a metaphor? A. As brave as a lion. B. Time is a thief. C. Like a rose. (11) Identify the tense. He had been working since morning. A. Present perfect. B. Past perfect continuous. C. Present continuous. (12) What does call it a day mean? A. Start the day. B. Take a nap. C. Stop working. (13) Which sentence is grammatically incorrect? A. The data is accurate. B. The data are accurate. C. The datas are accurate. (14) What is a superlative form of bad? A. Better. B. Worse. C. Worst. 15. Which word is a synonym for astute? A. Stupid. B. Shrewd. C. Clumsy. (16) Choose the correct conditional form. A. If he studied, he will pass. B. If he studies, he would pass. C. If he studies, he will pass. (17) What part of speech is however in, he was tired, however, he continued? A. Conjunction. B. Adverb. C. Preposition. (18) Which sentence is punctuated correctly? A. She likes apples, bananas and grapes. B. She likes apples, bananas, and grapes. C. She likes apples, bananas and grapes. (19) What figure of speech is used in The Wind Whispered? A. Hyperbole. B. Simile. C. Personification. (20) Pick the sentence with parallel structure. A. She likes cooking, jogging, and to read. B. She likes to cook, jog, and read. C. She likes cooking, jogs, and read. (21) What is the plural of analysis? A. Analyses. B. Analyse. C. Analyzes. (22) Choose the correct question tag. You're coming, dash. A. Isn't you? B. Aren't you? C. Don't you? (23) What does the idiom beat around the bush mean? A. Speak directly. B. Avoid the main topic. C. Hit something. (24) What is the correct indirect form? She said, I am happy. A. She said that she was happy. B. She said she is happy. C. She said that I was happy. (25) Which word is a homonym? A. Accept. B. Affect. C. Bark. (26) What is the correct comparative of far? A. Fairer. B. More far. C. Farther. (27) Identify the phrasal verb. A. She looked up the word. B. She searched the word. C. She analyzed the word. (28) Choose a sentence with correct article usage. A. He is an honest man. B. He is an honest man. C. He is the honest man. (29) Which word is not an adjective? A. Quickly. B. Beautiful. C. Tall. (30) What's the root word of unbelievable? A. Belief. B. Believe. C. Unbelieve. (31) What is the plural of phenomenon? A. Phenomenons. B. Phenomena. C. Phenomenas. (32) Which is the correct complex sentence? A. I went home and slept. B. I went home because I was tired. C. I went home, I was tired. (33) Which word is a synonym of elated? A. Angry. B. Joyful. C. Nervous. (34) Choose the correct spelling. A. Accommodation. B. Accommodation. C. Accommodation. (35) Choose the correct form. I suggest you dash early. A. Arrives. B. Arrived. C. Arrive. (36) Identify the adverbial clause. A. When he arrived, we started. B. He arrived on time. C. We started the meeting. (37) Which is the determiner? A. Quickly. B. My. C. Beautiful. (38) Identify the dangling modifier. A. While driving, the dog barked loudly. B. The dog barked loudly while I was driving. C. I was driving and the dog barked. (39) What is the past participle of lie, to recline? A. Lied. B. Lain. C. Lay. (40) Choose the correct sentence. A. Each of the boys have a pen. B. Each of the boys has a pen. C. Each of the boys were having a pen. (41) Which is a collective noun? A. Group. B. Chair. C. Friend. 42. What is the correct usage of affect and effect? A. The movie affected me emotionally. B. The movie affected me emotionally. C. The movie has a great effect. (43) Identify the auxiliary verb, A. Running, B. Have, C. Pretty. (44) Which sentence contains an oxymoron? A. Bittersweet memories. B. Cold weather. C. Smart student. (45) Which of these is a modal verb? A. Must. B. Jump. C. Walk. (46) Identify the infinitive phrase. A. To win the game was his goal. B. Winning the game was his goal. C. He wins a game. (47) Which one is not a subordinating conjunction? A. Although. B. But. C. Because. (48) What is the voice of the ball was thrown by John? A. Active. B. Passive. C. Imperative. (49) Identify the compound sentence. A. I studied and passed the exam. B. I studied hard, and I passed the exam. C. I passed. (50) Choose the correct reflexive pronoun. A. Himself. B. Himself. C. Himselves.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.